Welcome, Xogos Nation. Welcome to Xogos Live. This is where we go through all of our games and show you how fun they are, what you can learn, how to play them, all that. So this first game is called Bug and Seek. Now, I've actually played this multiple times. Love the game. And I have a saved game in there, which I really regret having to get rid of because I'm really far in it. But I need to show you from the very beginning how it goes. So the first thing you want to do when your screen comes up, again, this is off the Xogos system. You hit this blue button up here, it'll expand the whole screen. And in that, it'll give you to the option of play now. So you click to play now, and it starts loading up. Now, what's great about this game is that you can actually load it up, and you can turn off your internet and play for a long time. What's great about that is you can take it on a road trip, and as long as your computer doesn't refresh, you can actually play this game ongoing because it's now on your system temporarily. So that's a great thing to know. I found that out just a little while ago, that they were actually programming that, and boom, we're done. So in this, instead of doing loading a game, which I could load my previous game, sadly I can't load previous games. I can only load up the one that was played last. But this one, I'm going to hit new game, and I'm going to have to walk you through a lot of the steps, because in this, there's a lot of different things you're going to have to go through, but you're going to have to read some of them later on when you go through by yourself. I'm going to speed through a lot of the text that's going to be written. Okay, so in here, this is my daughter's account, so I'm going to change her appearance just slightly. About right there. Looks more like her. No, she's not that brown. There we go. Eye color brown. No, actually, she has a teal. Is that teal or is that teal? We'll go with that teal. Skin colors, it's about right. Shoes, we'll go with red. You know what, right? Let's go with white. Top style. Now, yes, that's probably her. And then she doesn't much for skirt. She's more for like leggings and stuff. So we'll go with that. So there you go. I created my own avatar for this game. Now, in this game also, it is a WASD game. So this is where I gotta turn down my volume just a little bit because I know this probably gonna be too loud. The music. Oh, looks like I just turned it off. Okay, well that works too. Okay, so let's get back into the game. Nope, there's the music I was looking for. Okay, let me lower that just slightly. And it'll come back as soon as I hit the screen. There we go. Okay, so that should be lower. Okay, so now I'm going to start moving around in the system. It's going to take me to some text. I'm going to be talking to the mayor first off. Now, mayor is great to talk to, but I'm going to run through. This is where she actually talks about the history of the Insectarium, which is your business. It's the building that you're starting up to sell and display bugs. Now, in here, the mayor is also going to tell you about a heist that just happened, where people actually stole bugs, and that's what basically came to the collapse of the Insectarium. Your object of this game is one, collect bugs, sell them, trade them, go on quests, find new places, and solve a mystery. So, if you go into she just gave you the first part of your decor. This is your first bug tank. You get to place this bug tank, and then as soon as you do, you have to get out of build mode, which is this button right here. Okay, so now you've got this button going on. I think I need to lower this music just a little bit more. Okay, now, okay, so she's going to talk through all of this. A bug just entered the spot, so you need to go over and you need to catch it. And this by going near it and then hitting the right click button as it shows you on that icon. Okay, so you caught a common pill bug, also named roly-poly. It's a common. Okay. You can actually go into your inventory and read more about it, but for this instance, I'll let you do that. So the first thing you do is you come over to your decor, you click on it, your tank. You can view the species, but there's no one in there. See, like that. Hit escape. Oops, don't hit escape. Hit the button, the screen. And then walk away from it, walk back, hit spacebar. Now, if it has this little icon up here, it means you need to hit the spacebar to activate it. So anything that can be interacted with, it's going to have that little screen up there at first, and then it's going to go away over time. Okay, so I've got a bug here. I want to add it to my tank. I'm going to name it Jeff. Accept the name. Well, hot dog. Okay, so I just opened my shop, and there's only one client that's coming. that person right there. So I gotta walk way through it. As you can see, the little roly-polies walking back and forth. Visitors, 1. Common bugs. These are bugs on display. 1. None that are extreme, none that are rare, none that are even uncommon. So I only have 1 bug in there, and I got 8 cents. Great. Okay, so only 1 customer. Well, it's a start. Okay, so you're going to keep walking through this. The mayor's going to feel a little bad for you, so she actually gives you 100 coins to get started. That's great. You can't really buy anything with 100 coins, but it does get you started. So as soon as you're done with that, look at that. You just earned 100 gold coin. If you haven't seen it already, and actually I don't think you have because I'm over top of it. Whoops. Let me move out my picture. There you go. There's your coins. I'm going to move myself over to the other side of the screen. Okay. So I want to give you a little bit of a head so you can see where the money's coming from. So 8 cents are from your customer, 100 cents or 100 coins are from the mayor. So now I'm going to walk around this area, and every bush that I go to, I want to interact with. And then if I find a bug, I want to right click. It'll allow me to find different bugs. Okay, then I'm going to walk around to the next bush. I'm going to hit spacebar, again interacting with it. Another one, interacting with it. Oh, there's a fly. Oh, it's nighttime. I still want to catch that fly. Did I catch it? No, I missed it. Oh well, sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. So you get to walk through all these different terrains. Walk up to a tree, you get to shake it by hitting spacebar. Okay, now, there are some things that you can do. That's the Insectarium. That's your business right there. As you can see, it's all haunted almost looking. It's got spider webs, it's got broken windows. We're going to fix that up. That's one of the tasks in this game. So in this, I'm going to open up a few more. Oh, there we go. I got another bug. Right click. Caught it. There you go. I got a potato beetle. Okay, so now I'm going to walk into the trading post. I'm going to interact with the store owner. So the store owner is going to talk to you, tell you about a little bit of what she does. We're going to bypass all this. You can read it yourself. Now in here, the basic idea is you can buy, you can sell, and you can get new jobs. So in here, you can buy different decor. This means you can add more spots in your inventory. Right now, I think you have 8. This will give you, what, 5 more spots in your inventory. If you want a 2 bug tank, this will give you 2 bugs. This is a 1 bug tank. As you can see, the prices change depending on it. But you can also buy rugs, you can buy displays, you can buy tables, you can even buy a chest where you hold all your decor if you don't want to put it out. Now, if you don't want to buy something, you can always sell. So if you click on a bug, there you go. You just sold one of your bugs. Now, the other bug I'm going to keep because I want to show you jobs. Now, in jobs, you can go through all these different jobs. At the time, this job right here says you have to catch 6 bugs found in trees. So that beetle was not in the trees. Ready to rock. This is found 5 bugs found under rocks at night. And then 7 bugs found in tall grass at night. So it's nighttime right now, so I'm going to take this job. I'm going to accept it, and I get 1 more. See, right here, at nighttime bugs found in the meadows. The potato bug, potato beetle, was actually one of those bugs. So I can actually use that as one of those bugs to sell. And then, oh look, another one I got from a bush. So I could actually sell that, except I can only have 2 jobs. I can only accept 2 jobs. So back off of there. And I'm going to go back, and I can talk to all these different people just by clicking on them, just by clicking the space bar. Or I can start exploring. Now, while exploring, when you come to something you've already moved, you can most likely move it once. If you move it twice, if you're able to move it twice, you won't be able to catch anything. Just so you know, that's because you've already caught the bug that was in there. Now, bugs regenerate in new areas, but you don't know if you're going to find them until you find them. There it gets closer. There we go. A camel cricket. Never seen those before. Okay, I'm going to keep going through all these tall grass because that's one of my jobs. I need to find more bugs in tall grass. Now, as you can see here, I've got one bug that was found in tall grass. I have to find 7 of them. And over time, it will allow me to go through that. Now, if you look over here, I have 2 bugs already. I need a 3rd one, and I finished this job. So maybe I'll do that one. Oh, there we go. I got a firefly and a wolf spider. Great. Okay, so now, if I look up here, I've already finished this job. Hot dog, look at that. 5 bugs found in the meadow at night. Order complete. So what I do is I add that one, I add that one, I add that one. I add them all. And ship them off. I just got 77 new gold pieces. I click out of here. There you go. I'm now up to 199 coin. Now, in this game, you're going to be traveling everywhere. You're going to be going all over the place. There's all different locations, environments, and people to see. So in here, I'm going to bypass a lot of this. You're going to find it on your own. I'm going to show you the next area. There's a reason why I'm going to show you the next area. Actually, I think one of them is actually up here. Let me see. The one I'm looking for up here? It is not. This is a new location. Okay. Those are 2 locations you can't get to unless you find your way there. And I'm not going to show you it because I want you to explore and find your own way. Now, if I keep going down, down, and even further down, I come into this new place. Bob's Big Store. That's just like the trading post where you can buy, sell, and get new jobs. The Entomological Institute of Insect Education. Entomology is the study of bugs. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here because there's something I want to show you. And actually, there's these places on both sides, but I want to show you this first. No, it's to there. There we go. Whoa, that's a lot of rock. So basically, it's just telling you that the city has to remove that rock for you. If you go to the other side, there's actually a bridge that's out. In order to get to those environments, you actually have to collect enough bugs to pay for it. Nothing there. Okay. And there's more places to explore. Now, as I wanted to keep this short so you can actually see it, the basic idea is you want to go around this environment, all these environments, and find different bugs depending on the environment you're at. It also changes if it's nighttime or daytime. It changes in the seasons. You'll be here during the spring, fall. Like right now, it's the summer season. If you look up here, summer year 1, Sunday. Now, on every Saturday is when people will come to your shop. So you want to collect displays, put them up in your shop, and put more bugs there. Because the more bugs you have, the more displays you have, the more people will come. The more people that come, the more they pay. And the more money you get automatically. So that's a great way. You don't have to explore. You don't have to do jobs. On Saturday, every Saturday, they come. And you're going to get like $1,000 a day. As of right now, you got about $8 because you had 1 bug. As you grow it, and you'll actually expand the Insectarium. After you fix it up, you'll be able to expand it. By expanding it, you'll be able to put more displays in there, more people to come, more money to make, and such. So this is basically running your own business, catching bugs, and exploring all these new locations and buildings, and talking to all of these unique and interesting people. Now you can actually ask the people for their hints as well when it comes to the heist. Someone will give you hints, and you want to solve this mystery. That's it. That's all I'm going to tell you about this game. Have fun with it. It's actually quite addicting at times. I've got addicted at multiple times, and especially when I go to conventions and I show this to other people, I'm like constantly playing it when people aren't around. If they go to a workshop or something and nobody's really around, I'm usually playing this game. This one or Debt-Free Millionaire, which I'm going to show you next time. So thanks so much for joining us, and we will catch you next time. Take care. Bye.